Okay, we're going to add a rich text element now and make that our banner text. So we just click add rich text and we get this little rectangle in the middle that's got word sample text in it. The usual deal, if you want to set the upper left, the X and Y coordinates, you can do that. You can set the size of a box. I wouldn't worry about size right now because you'll do that after you edit the text, and you just do that by clicking on the text, and we will just change it to banner for training page. Not terribly imaginative, but it's something. So we can highlight the text, we can pick different fonts, you can get extra fonts added, just let me know and we can add those in. You do this kind of headline thing with huge, normal, large, etc. So I'm going to pick huge. I'm going to make it bold. I'm going to make it italic. And of course, you got underline and strike through if you want. I'm going to go over, I'm going to skip the color right now, but you've got the ability to do bullets, you got the ability to do numbers, you've got the justification, you got left, center, right, and totally justified. I'm going for center. This underlined A here will change the font color, and I'm going to pick white. You can slide around and pick colors to your heart's content or enter the color hexadecimal code. I'm just going to pick white. If you hit this, if you click this second letter text editor here, that will give you a background color to this text field, which you generally don't want to do that. So I'm just going to click save, and our text looks a little bigger. In fact, I'm just going to go ahead and raise the font here on the text. And if you notice something that happened as we did that, you wind up with these scroll bars, and you can get rid of these scroll bars, because if you don't get rid of them, it'll show up in your publication and look a little tacky. Excuse me. So you can resize the box. Just make sure it's a little bigger than the text that's in there. And then you can kind of put it where you want it to be. And something that's kind of cool, and we will go into the next thing for these other features, the marquee, and that's kind of cool, and we'll do that in a separate video. I will just acknowledge our change, put it in the into the publication by overwrite.